Good morning, it's Peter Boulton. Just thought I'd share with you, it's quite interesting, isn't it, that when you're running an online business like I do, and many other people that I recognise tend to use the cafes and the restaurants to be able to go and do work, as long as those cafes and restaurants have got a good Wi-Fi connection, of course. What a pleasure to be able to go out and, as I have this morning, had a nice breakfast, full English, with all the trimmings, coffee and fruit juice and toast and marmalade, and do some work at the same time. So perhaps think about yourself, what are you doing when you're going to work? Do you have the ability to take time out to go and work where you want to, how you want to, and when you want to? And that might even include, going to a coffee shop and doing your work on a laptop while you're enjoying yourself. Anyway, just a thought, I'll leave it with you. Cheers, bye.